Gucci down. Bad bitch wanna be Gucci down. Little bitch wanna be Gucci down. You pull out the city, better shoot me now. Got us on the bed, now you wanna move me.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how I do my mini twists. What you want to do is you want to start off with a freshly washed head. I just washed my hair. You also want to grab you a brush, your Cantu coconut leave-in conditioner, your Cantu coconut curling cream, some gel. I got this from the dollar store and you can use any brand, a brush, some rubber bands, this Pantene Gold Version oil, and let's get started. First thing you want to do is part your hair into sections. Some people do 4 sections. I just pull my hair up and leave the back out. Don't mind me guys, this was like 10 o'clock at night, so I had a face mask on. But yeah, like I said, I just leave the back out, and my hair is freshly washed, but it still has the curl pattern of my Bantu knots I had the day before. Whenever you have your hair in sections, what I like to do is take a small chunk from the back and then split that into 2. I don't think I mentioned it in the beginning, but I also had another curling cream and some water on the floor as well. So right now I'm just putting some water on my hands. With curly hair, I don't recommend brushing it dry. I never brush mine dry. So I'm just napping my hair a little bit. Also, you want a finger detangle the hair, and I also brush it out with a brush. Make sure you go from ends to roots, never root to end. And as you guys can see, I had a little knot, so I took that top part and I brushed it out on its own. Now I'm just taking my leave-in conditioner. I'm going to take about a dime size on my finger and work that through my hair. Now I'm taking my gel and doing the same thing, getting about a dime size on my finger, and also working that through my hair with my finger. Now I'm taking my brush and making sure every strand is saturated and it has product on it. I don't know if you can see, but my hair like instantly sprung into like its natural curls. Yeah, I'm taking this ORS Curls Unleashed leave-in conditioner. No, not leave-in conditioner, curling cream, my bad. Putting a little bit on my hand and also working that through. You just want to make sure like when you're sectioning off your hair, you really moisturize it, because that'll ensure that your curls are long lasting and defined whenever you take out these twists. Okay, I worked that through my hair. Now, like I said, you want to split your hair into 2, and I'm pretty sure everyone knows how to 2-strand twist, and you just 2-strand twist all the way down to the end. taking a little more water as you need it or any more product. I like to take water and gel when I get towards the end because my ends do tend to get the most frizziest. Like I said, I'm taking some gel on my fingers. Some people bantu knot their ends, some people curl them, some people braid their ends. I personally took some oil and I put it on a rubber band, and then I put the rubber band on my hair. Make sure you wear rubber bands so that way whenever you're taking the rubber band off your hair, it does not snag the ends of your hair. It'll just slip right on and off. Let me know down below if you guys do try this, and please DM me at my Instagram, which is Naja Brianna, and tag me in the picture. I want to see. And that's how my twist looked at the end. Now I'm probably going to show you guys one more on the other side. Y'all have so much hair, it's not even funny sometimes. If you guys are wondering, I'm going to do a Q&A soon. But I've been natural for about 4 years. I've never done a big chop. The reason I even went natural is because I had heat damage from middle school. I had bought a Revlon wand curler and a flat iron, and I used to use it like every day. But yeah, I've never did a big chop or anything like that. I just did no heat. I trim my ends every couple months, and yeah, I'm natural. And my hair falls down to, it's like bra strap length when I stretch it. Or you know what, I did I blow it out like last year whenever I got box braids. But I'll do a video of me like blowing out my hair and showing y'all the length of it. But yeah, like I said, on this side, doing the same thing, just following the process, making sure your hair is damp, adding your curling cream, coconut leave-in conditioner, oil, all the good stuff. I'm just showing y'all my curls. Also, down in the comments, if y'all have any tips, please let me know. I cannot do a wash and go on my hair because I feel like as the day goes, like my curls get smaller and like more knotted, and like it's just a lot of shrinkage. Y'all look at that. If they could say like that like all day, I would wear my hair like in a wash and go, but they don't. Y'all, that's so pretty. But yeah, just make sure, I didn't do it on the first one, but make sure you're like kind of pulling the hair like tight as you twist it, so like they're not so like, I'll like mine to be like juicy, but for this look I was kind of wanting them to be like thin and longer, because whenever they look juicy, it makes them look more like fuller. It doesn't give it the mini look. If you know, if that makes sense. That's just me taking forever to put a rubber band on my head. Alright guys, I'm back and I'm officially done with my mini twists. They look so nice and juicy. I did some good partying, if I do say so myself. And yes, at this point y'all, I was so tired, but I'm actually happy how they turned out. They look really good. And I hope y'all like them as well. Don't forget to give me a like, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys!